Hello friends, this is Sapansha. Today we will start to download and install AutoDock and AutoDock Vina in your desktop and laptop. So let's start. First, go to your Google Chrome browser and in search tab type MGL tools. So it will open this website. Click on this download button. You can see the MGL tool download file for Windows, Apple and Linux is available here. I'm using the Windows version, so I'm going to download MGL tools for Windows. So I'm clicking on this. So it will start downloading the exe file for the MGL tools. It will take some time. So after downloading, we'll come back and we'll continue to install the further procedure for AutoDock and AutoDock Vina. Okay, so you now can see the MGL tool exe file is downloaded here. We'll double click on this MGL tool exe file. So what will happen? It will ask my permission to run this exe file in my window. I'm giving the permission. So now you can see at the bottom the icon is created and based on this next step, accept the terms of the license agreement and say yes. Then proceed for next. So now the MGL tool setup is installing in my Windows. Okay, so this here, okay, and you have to select to launch PMB, to create a desktop shortcut and to create a quick launch shortcut. So I am selecting all these three tabs and pressing finish. So it is starting the setup file. Yes, so now you can see my AutoDock screen has appeared and now I can start working with this AutoDock. Let us take one example. Import fetch from web, whether it is working or not. So 3V99, this is a COX enzyme. I'm fetching it from web. Let us see whether it is able to fetch the molecule from the PDB database or not. Yes, so now you can see the enzyme protein is downloaded in your AutoDock file. Now we can do so many things. AutoDock Vina, and lots of. So we'll later on explain in detail further how you can use this AutoDock and AutoDock Vina. Thank you.